Now, this problem is asking for us to figure out which of the answer choices is the area of this problem. So let me remind you that area is equal to length times width. So the area is equal to 5x plus 4 times 4x minus 4. So that's what we're going to use over here in our calculator. There's only an x in this problem, so we're going to store a 1 for the x value. And we're creating an equation. So we're going to plug in each of these answer choices in for the area to see which one gives me a true statement. And remember, true statements come out as a 1 and false statements come out as a 0. So let's begin. For answer choice F, we have a 20x squared plus a 36x minus a 16. And we want to see if that is equal to 5x plus 4 times 4x minus 4. So over here it returned a 0, so that means that these two are not equal. It's a false statement. So that means that that is not our correct answer. So we need to plug in answer choice G. 20x squared minus 4x minus 16, and we want to see, is that equal to 5x plus 4, close parentheses, open parentheses, 4x minus 4, close parentheses. And you see how that returned a 1. So that's telling us that this is an equal statement. It is a true statement. So G is the correct answer.